Hello, welcome to Dimples and Arabian Journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and on Thursday.
Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. So today's unique recipe out of the box is crispy macaroni.
Crunchy pasta recipe exclusively for our kids. So let us have a look onto the main ingredient. So here I'm using 1 tablespoon of pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. This is optional. 2 tablespoons of masala powder, chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, salt 2 tablespoons or as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of oil and plus extra oil for deep frying. This oil can be reused once again for deep frying. Now here I am using 2 cups of any kind of pasta or any brand of pasta. With water, here I am using 850 ml, which is approx 3 cup. Now please add the pasta into a pot and add water. Submerge the pasta completely. Feel free to use more water if needed. See that you submerge the pasta. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt or as per your taste before boiling. Now I am adding the 2 tablespoons of oil so that my pasta doesn't stick together. Most of the macaroni pasta hardly needs 8 to 10 minutes. So here I am boiling for a good 8 minutes. And then switch off the flame. My pasta have been boiled to perfect. So switch off the flame and then transfer this pasta into a strainer, a mesh strainer, and just discard the water completely. Let the water evaporate and separate it well. Please be gentle while separating them as they tend to be very soft and might break into pieces. Bring the pasta into a separate mixing bowl so that I can add my spices. Now let's start adding the chaat masala first, and then goes the pepper powder. Add the red chili flakes. This is completely optional, so you can skip it. Then goes the chili powder, and now the garlic powder and salt, the remaining salt, 1 tablespoon or as per your taste. Give them a good mix, combine them thoroughly. See that the spices are all incorporated. Keep mixing and coat the pasta very well. All the macaroni pasta should incorporate and coat them together with the spices. Let the coated macaroni pasta rest for good 10 minutes before frying them. Now in a heavy bottom pan, please add oil. Generous amount of oil would be needing. The pre-done masala coated pasta is ready to be fried. Drop them slowly into the hot oil. So here I can accommodate more of the masala pasta into the oil. So I'm dropping them slowly. And simultaneously I'm mixing them so that they doesn't stick onto the bottom of the pan. So you just need to be careful while doing this so that it doesn't splatter onto you. So just be gentle. Post 10 minutes of deep frying the pasta. The macaroni pasta looks good, crispy and crunchy. Now you can just separate them in a paper towel or something. Repeat the process for all the pasta similarly. See that, let them air dry after you remove them from the hot oil. Let it rest and then you can just process similarly. Repeat it together. So my crispy, spicy pasta is all set and ready. You can generously add more masala, more spices according to your taste, and even salt. This can be stored for good 1 month in an airtight container. Thank you for watching Dimples and Arabian Journey. If you love and like my recipe, please share this with your friends and family. Stay connected. For many more interesting pasta recipe, please have a look onto the description box below. Thank you.